She made 1 million naira profits few months into selling oil perfume. How true is that? Hello, I'm Victoria O'Dane, Chief Creative Director of Nigeria.Scent Hub, a thriving oil perfume company that's into the sale of skin-friendly, undiluted oil perfume that lasts 72 hours on your fabric. So a vendor testified of making a million naira a few months into oil perfume business. So if you're looking towards starting an oil perfume business, or you're generally looking for a profitable business you can invest in, I guarantee you are in the right place, because in today's video I will share ultimate guide to starting out a profitable oil perfume business with mouth-watering profits. So if you've not subscribed, please endeavor to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, share to your family and friends. Now, what is perfume oil or oil perfume? Perfume oil is a concentrated fragrance product composed primarily of essential oil or aromatic compounds. Unlike alcoholic-based perfume that evaporate easily and are less concentrated, oil perfume offers a lasting scent and a more intense fragrance experience. So few of you go-getters commented that I should teach you how to produce undiluted oil perfume. Follow me on this journey. I'm going to teach you how very soon. Now, for you to thrive in this oil perfume business and make mouth-watering profit, you have to put some certain things into place. First, you have to determine the kind of oil perfume you want to sell. Now, if you look at the market, Nigerian market keenly, you'll be hearing some people are selling diluted oil perfume, some are undiluted oil perfume. Now, the diluted means they bought this oil perfume and they added other chemicals to it to increase the volume and increase profit. And you have the undiluted. Undiluted means the person is selling it just the way the perfume is. He or she did not add any other thing to the perfume. Now, most times the diluted, most time when you buy it and it evaporates like the alcoholic perfume, doesn't last long, but the undiluted is lasts on your fabric for a very long time. When you're selling the undiluted, your customers will keep coming and you start getting referrals. But if you're selling the diluted, your customers may buy once and they may not come back, though that one is way cheaper. Now, the second thing to consider is your structure and your target audience. So how are you starting off with? Are you starting off as a retailer? If you're starting off as a retailer, you can start the oil perfume business with as low as 30,000 naira. So now you're selling, your target audience will be the end users, the final consumers. So here you're buying as you're buying the already refilled bottle. So this is what I mean. This is what I mean. With 30,000 naira, you can get few bottles of 6 ml. This is 6 ml. Don't know if you can see it. This is 6 ml. This 6 ml bottles is being sold between 1,200 naira to 1,500 naira. It depending on your location and your bargaining power. And one good thing about being a retailer is you determine your price. So we also have the 10 ml. This 10 ml is sold between 2,500 to 3,000 naira. And this is the more reason why you should sell a very good oil perfume, undiluted, so your customers will keep coming back. The diluted ones is sold lesser. You see something like this, 500 naira. When you see something like this, 500 naira, that should be the first sign that the perfume is diluted. Okay, you can buy also. We also have the 30 ml. We also have the 50, as the case may be. If you want to start an oil perfume business, let me be your plug. I sell undiluted oil perfume that lasts on the fabric for 72 hours. When you buy from me, your customers will keep coming back. Okay, so as a retailer, your target audience will be the end users, the final consumers. And also, you can start up as a wholesaler. So as a wholesaler, your target audience are the end users and the retailers. So with barest minimum, if you're starting off as a wholesaler, with barest minimum should be like 250,000 naira barest minimum. Okay, so this one now you're buying the refill. You get this one on. I'm going to place it on the screen. I could not carry everything out, so I'm going to place the bottles on the screen. But this one I have here is 50 mil. This is 50 mil. You can buy as high as 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg into 5 fragrance or 10 fragrance or 20 or 30 fragrance. Then start from there. Then once you buy that, you buy these bottles. You buy these bottles and you refill yourself. Or you can start off as a distributor. As a distributor, barest minimum you should be starting off with should be 400, 500, 700,000 naira, because the wholesalers will be coming to you. So your target audience will be wholesalers, retailers. So if you want to use me as your oil perfume supplier, chat me up on this number on the screen. Please don't just say hi and go mute. I may not reply you because I'm very busy. Say hi, tell me that you're from my YouTube channel, and go straight to the point. I'm going to reply you promptly and we'll take it up from them. Another very important thing you should put into consideration is have a steady supplier that supplies the kind of perfume you want to start selling. 85% of vendors here in Nigeria sell the diluted ones. So if you want to sell the undiluted, look out for 2 or 3 suppliers that sell the same thing that you are looking for. Okay, start buying from them, and as you scale up, you start getting profit. You can now start buying directly from the factory. So another thing you put into consideration is your branding. These days, people buy more of branding than the product itself. So your product branding should be top notch. Okay, position your perfume as a luxury or premium product. Invest in high quality packaging, materials, and branding. Okay, when I started off, I was just selling normal. Then I convinced the lady to buy this perfume. She was like, I have somewhere I'm buying, but I convinced her to buy my own. As she bought, no, the first of all, she started with 6 mil. Once as she bought my own, she later came back to me and was like, your perfume is better than the vendor I used to buy from, but her branding is better than your own. That struck me big time. So branding is very, very important. Branding can make you sell this. You can sell it between 5,000 naira to 6,000 naira. But if you package it branded very well, you can sell this 30 ml bottle for 10,000 naira, for 8,000 naira. People are selling it. So let your packaging be top notch. Another thing you should put into consideration is invest in high impact social media marketing. Don't just say, I will be selling to my family and friends. They may not buy it from you every day, right? The profit you're looking for is not from your family and friends. Invest in high social media marketing. Take your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok seriously. Run ads. Go into content marketing. Do promotional ads. One thing, people buy from you not just because you're selling something. People buy from you because, one, they like you, they know you, and they trust you. Do content marketing. Tell them the reason why they should buy from you. Just, if you don't know what to do, go on ChatGPT. Get content. Make videos about this. And start saying you make lots of money. You make lots of money. Okay? Be shameless in your marketing. Be shameless in your marketing. Now, my next video, I'll be sharing how you can get ready to buy customers, both offline and online. So if you want to start this business, or you already have a business but you're struggling with sales, subscribe. If you've not, turn on the notification bell. So when I drop that video, you're going to see it. It's a value-packed video. Now, that brings me to, have you subscribed? If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling? Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share this video to your family and friends. Maybe your loved ones may want to start an oil perfume business. You don't know who this video can be of help to. So subscribe, like, drop a comment in the comment section. Let the comment section be interactive. Okay, let the comment section be interactive. Also, if you want to make me your supplier, chat the number on the screen. Tell me that you're from my YouTube channel, my love, my go-getter from YouTube. I'm going to reply promptly. Okay, market. What is a business without marketing? Market. I guarantee you're going to make lots of money. Then when you're done with all these things, you see that you're progressing, then you can structure the business. You can go get a business name, register your business, and voila, business is set. Now, to my lovelies, my go-getters that said I should teach them how to produce undiluted oil perfume, I'm going to answer that right now. Undiluted oil perfume is not made in Nigeria. Oil perfume business is not produced here in Nigeria. Okay? If you see people telling you, I produce oil perfume, what they do is they buy this perfume, they dilute it. Maybe they buy different fragrance, mix it together, dilute it. That's what they do. But the original oil perfume is not made in Nigeria. I've made a mistake before as well. I joined the platform and all the person was doing was buy this fragrance, diluted with, was it metal or there was something she diluted it with. Buy the packaging bottles, buy stickers, repackage and start selling. That is not producing oil perfume. Okay, oil perfume is not produced here in Nigeria. So if anybody tells you from now henceforth that they produce oil perfume, just know that what they are doing is getting different chemicals, getting different fragrance and mixing it with essential oil. Do you understand? Have I cleared the air now? Now, most of the time when you go to big market, you see people selling perfume. You see something like this, 500. When you see something like this, 6 mil being sold for 500, run for your dear life. That is not oil perfume. They just bought the oil perfume and diluted it. Okay, that's not oil perfume. That one evaporates just like the alcoholic perfume. Okay, so if you have a business, you're struggling with marketing, hit that notification bell because that video is coming out soon. How you can market and get ready to buy customers back to back. Okay, I love you. Or if you have other business content you want me to do a video on, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to do a video on those things. I'm sure you're gaining value. If you are gaining value, please help your baby girl. Share this video to your family and friends. You don't know who this video can be of help to. I love you. Please, if you're gaining value, also drop it in the comment section. Okay, drop it in the comment section. This will tell me that I am doing something important, okay, and I'll keep coming back to give you value. Okay, so drop it in the comment section. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, love upon one another. I'm expecting your chats. See you. Bye-bye.